All right, so if you want to make some money online, some moments might get a little uncomfortable, but you got to do what you got to do. I'm shooting this video like I've been doing in this whole series on the go. We're in a parking lot right now. What you're going to need when it comes to making money online, first, you're going to need a product. That's obvious. I have some of the best products you can promote, so that's not the issue. Your budget is the issue, meaning how much money do you want to sell your products for? These resale right programs usually come with an entry level pricing, so if you say you're buying a product for $300, I think you're going to want to sell it for $300. So keep that in mind. Next, you're going to need a system. As far as the system, anything goes. Anything goes. System.io is free. And it gets the job done. So that can be free. I use Go High Level. That's, about $103 a month. And they both come with the email auto responder so you can follow up with your leads. Next, you're going to want a domain name, a www dot, just to keep it professional. And as well, when you're sharing it on, maybe you want to do postcards or something like that, it fits on the postcard. And after that, it's really bonuses. Some people use some AI tools. After that, all you need is social media. Social media accounts, free. Uh, Everything that I do on social media is free. Recording this video is free. Besides, the external microphone I'm using, just so I can make it a little more convenient and you not hear all the background noise. CapCut, I pay for. That's around $8 a month, and that's where I do most of my editing. And besides that, you're in the game. The biggest thing is it's going to get it's going to be different for you. Some of you are going to feel embarrassed, because you never sold anything. Some of you are not going to understand that you're not clocking in anymore. So you depend on your income. And that's hard for a lot of people. A lot of people think they want to be an entrepreneur, but they really don't. And just staying consistent. The more consistent you are, the more money you'll make. If I had to sum all this into one, it's literally building the audience. Once you have the audience, it's fair game. Once you have people who understand what you do, understand your prices, understand, the value you're giving them, and you need to give value. Everything else it's light work. Everything else is whatever you want to do with the people that's following you. So it's really, an influencer mixed with, an online entrepreneur. So if you want more information on this, I'll leave my link in the description. You're going to see a free course. But first you're going to see one of my favorite digital products where you can make $300 per sale. And it's going to show you amazing stuff. The person that made this product does weekly mentorship. We have a whole community, 9,000 members. So you're going to be good. It's pretty much what I'm saying.